Good morning, class. In this tutorial, I want to talk about Gemini, or we call it Gemini, okay? Gemini is actually Google AI, Google Brain Box, okay? It's just like ChatGPT, and you do everything about ChatGPT. Anything you can do in ChatGPT, you can do it in Gemini, okay, or Gemini. All right, now I've been discussing with Gemini. I want to show you how you can actually discuss with Gemini and get exactly what you want, the right prompt that Gemini will reply you, okay? Are you a content creator? Today, you want to focus majorly on Facebook. I actually have a class on Facebook where I teach people programming, web development. So most times I come about to Gemini to get my description, okay, title description, SEO, tags, and the rest of them. So without much ado, let's go straight. Let me see if Gemini will remember what we chat yesterday, because I actually chat with him yesterday. So look at it. He has told me hello, Ima. But meanwhile, let me tell you where you can get to. Gemini is just like www.gemini.google.com /app. That's all. Okay, or you go to Google search box and type Gemini, and once you press on, it will open the website for you to select. So without much ado, let me now reply him. Good morning, Gemini. I want to watch the discussion and see what is going to give me at the end of the day. Yeah, say good morning. How your Sunday morning going in Lagos? Anything exciting planned for today? So I'll tell him, yeah, great. Great things are ahead, man. Great things are ahead. So we've done our greeting. I'm now discussing with AI. Now let's go to the main thing. So I want to ask him if you remember what we chat yesterday. Hi, Gemini. Hi, Gemini. Did you remember how yesterday that? Let me see if you do. If you remember, we'll just pick from there. Say good morning again. Yes, I do remember our chat from yesterday. We were talking about the exciting things you had planned for today. Is there something specific from our conversation you would like to revisit? Okay, he's talking about today, thinking that today was yesterday. But now what I'm bringing to his notice. Yeah, I'm talking about. So let me reply him. Yeah, I am talking about SEO optimized title. SEO optimized title with every other features, because I give a lot of features with every other features that will work on yesterday, that will work on yes tonight. Let me use the word night, maybe as I'm calling yesterday, yes tonight. Okay, then let me see what you say. Yes, I recall we are brainstorming SEO optimized title that will highlight the feature we discussed. Let's refresh our memory on the future. Could you remind me what we are so I can generate some effective titles for you? Yeah, so it's catching up. So at this point, I want to remind him of what I want to do now and see what he will give me. Right now, I have a video that I want to post on Facebook. Then you give me a little background about the video. Okay, here is a little background about the video, and I'll explain to him. The video is about Flexbus, from beginner to pro, as well as use cases, real life practical experience using in Flexbus, real life practical experience. Please, I now want you to carve for me. Please, as usual. Now, if you want to go to the next, like press enter. If you press enter, it will move straight, okay, and it will reply you. So what you do is you hold your shift key and then you press enter. If you hold your shift key and press enter, it will go to the next line. Okay, so yeah, that's gone to the next line. Just the same way you chat with ChatGPT and other AI, okay, it's the same process. Okay, there's no big difference. So let's now go ahead. Please craft a similar SEO SEO optimized title SEO optimized title and a description a description, right? And a description that fits. Please craft a similar SEO optimized title and a description that people who wants to learn please mark what I'm using, who wants to learn. So it could be whatever you are training, okay? Mine is on web development, so I'll use so organic, but you can also just what you are training is where you put in here. People who want to learn baking, people who want to learn cooking, people want to, stuff like that. People who want to learn web development, especially and now come down, bringing it to the niche level, especially flex boss in CSS. Flex boss in CSS, comma, are searching for. It should be what search en Facebook search engine or Facebook algorithm should be what Facebook algorithm we understand. Okay, because summarize is not human being, it's algorithm that understand your post and then know the kind of people to send it to. We understand. And then send it to the right people to view. I want this post to go viral. So you hold your shift key again, press enter to next one. I want this post, this video tutorial to go viral. So add all necessary keywords. Okay, if you understand what keywords is all about, you know what I'm talking about. Keywords that people are searching for. People in this niche. Okay, now you know the niche already. In this niche are searching for that Facebook algorithm will recognize. Facebook algorithm will recognize and pushed to them. Push and push. Kindly summarize all the titles because it's going to give you a lot of titles for you to choose from. Okay, so kindly summarize all the title and use it to create an engaging, so we are going to description now, an engaging description. Okay, an engaging description. Okay, and hashtags so you can stop over here, but if you still feel that there are still many other things that you want Gemini to help you to do, you can still let him know. Okay, but make sure that your prompt is exactly what he can easily understand and he will give you the best. Let's what it's going to give us. So for you to send, you bring your mouse to this place and click enter, or you just press enter on your keyboard and it will move. Okay, so sometimes you need to read what you've written down because sometimes there'll be a mistake since you are just typing and so you have to cross check, make sure everything is okay before you now send it to him. Now let's see what it says. He has finished the write up. Say, all right, let's get this video title and description optimized for Facebook to reach all those aspiring web developers eager to master Flexbox. Do you see it? We here are a few SEO optimized title options, incorporating the key features and aiming for high searchability. So do you see what you get what I'm talking about? You see it? So let's now scroll what he told us, what he has bring for us. It's a Flexbox CSS tutorial, beginner to pro with real-world examples and use cases. That is one title for you to choose from. Master CSS Flexbox from basic to advanced layout and practical projects. It's great. Learn Flexbox in 1 hour. The ultimate CSS layout guide with real example. I'm not teaching it in 1 hour, so I won't go for that. Unlock CSS Flexbox power, beginner friendly tutorial with practical application. Flexbox for web development, hands-on tutorial with real-life project examples. So you see, he has done it. So he will now break it down for you to see that he actually use keywords, clarity, intrigue, and specificity in bringing out those titles. So you see why you see are you now trying to get the difference between Gemini and ChatGPT? ChatGPT most time will not do this for you unless you request for it. But Gemini will do it for you. He will go his way out and bring many other things for you. But I'm not saying that it's better than ChatGPT. That is clear for you to judge if you've used it too. Okay. So we are not here to compare or to say this is better than this. No, we are just here to teach you how these things works. Okay. This I can use to also bring out your drawing, your images. Okay, they work with images as well. So without much ado, let's see engaging the tutorial he gave us. So, ready to conquer CSS layout? This comprehensive Flexbox tutorial takes you from absolute beginner to confident pro. Learn the fundamentals of Flexbox and explore real-world use cases with practical, hands-on examples. Master the essential web development skill and unlock the power of Flexbox and responsive designs. Do you see what he gave us? Isn't this great? Of course, it is great. So this is exactly how you can chat with Gemini and get exactly what you want. So now that this is true, I'll just copy it, go to where I want to post it, put it on my Facebook description, and then copy the hashtags that he brought. Look at all the hashtags. Go to my Facebook too, put it there, and then send. It makes your work easier. Less than few seconds, everything is done. Hope you learned something from here. See you in our next tutorial, and thank you for hanging around with Ceiven today. Bye.